Hey guys, today we are checking out the ELEHEAR Delight OTC hearing aids. If you're looking for affordable earbud-style hearing aids that don't feel bulky, then the ELEHEAR Delight might be the best option out there. So let's open up the box and see how they work. So let's take a look inside the box. Products at the very top. Here it is in the case. Here is all of the paperwork and instructions. And at the bottom here we have a little box of accessories. So here are all the extra tips. You have different angles here, different sizes. Cleaning brush. And then there's the USB-C cable down here, so you can charge it. And here is the device itself. And so yeah, let's go test these out and see how they work. The Delight is marketed as your first earbud-style OTC hearing aid, and that's exactly what it's doing. Instead of the traditional behind-the-ear look, these resemble modern wireless earbuds, which is great if you want something discreet and familiar. They're lightweight, simple to pop in, and designed for all-day wear. The headline feature here is the VOCCLEAR 2.0. It's ELEHEAR's enhanced AI-powered sound processing, which is a system that improves real-world clarity by reducing background noise and controlling feedback before it becomes an issue. That means voices come through cleaner and interference is minimized. It uses AI noise reduction to separate speech from environmental noise. So whether you're walking outside or talking in a busy room, the device is designed to focus on the voices you want to hear while softening everything else. Combined with the feedback control, it aims to deliver a smoother and natural listening experience. You also get Bluetooth streaming, so you can listen to calls, music, or videos directly through the hearing aids. It also supports real-time AI translation, which is a surprisingly advanced feature at this price point. And when using the free ELEHEAR app, you can find a ton more features like being able to personalize your sound profile to match your hearing needs. And it also includes tinnitus relief, which gives you soothing sound options if you deal with ringing or buzzing in your ears. And the battery life is another strong point. You get up to 20 hours per charge, and if you're in a rush, a quick 15-minute charge gives you 6 hours of use. So it's excellent for travel, work days, or anyone who doesn't want to constantly be charging their hearing aids. So if you want something that blends into your lifestyle and gives you clear audio without breaking the bank, then the ELEHEAR Delights are worth checking out. And you can take a look at them in the link below. I'll see you guys on the next one.